Sweet, thank you. Alright, so what I've done is, since this little tab for the clutch wasn't coming out, right? So what I've been doing is I've been hitting it, driving it with this flathead, or excuse me, yeah, this small flathead, like so I can force it out. Right? And it's coming out little by little, but I'm just wondering, is that what a 20-year-old clutch cable looks like? I mean, that's crazy. Right? I would imagine, because like all them YouTube videos that I've seen people do, look, watch, it won't come out. I'm gonna put a kink in it, let it bend. Look, it still didn't come out. Look, that's ridiculous. Oh shit, I didn't mess something up. Alright, I'll get that straight. Alright, babe, we good.